All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. Right here it says write the compound inequality that describes this graph. So we're being asked to write a compound inequality. Okay, that's an inequality with two sides to it, two restraints or two constraints. Okay, so when we look at this, we need to first understand what's happening here. It's saying there is an x value that can occur somewhere inside of this range. And we can choose any point along this, and they would all be valid answers. But they are restrained. Something happens here that restrains it, and something happens here that restrains it. So let's just tackle this step by step. One way I kind of like to look at this is kind of build it from the inside out. So I know there's going to be this x value right here. Okay. And this x value, if it was traveling this way, it would eventually have to stop when it gets to this 2. And I'm just kind of using the diagram they gave me to help build my answer. It's a good strategy. Use what they give you. And then coming back over here, I know that I'm going to be limited down here on -4. So your only step next is you need to fill in an inequality here, and you need to fill in an inequality here. And that's what makes it a compound inequality, because we have two factors we need to address. It's not just a single inequality. So if I'm looking at this x, I'll start here and I'll say, well, x is something related to this 2. And I can see that x has to be smaller than this 2. So if I read it, I can say x must be smaller than that 2. And this circle is open, so it cannot be equal to 2. So I don't put that line underneath. Now going back the other way, I can see that this x, well, it has to be bigger than this -4. So this x must be larger than -4. And you can see that this -4 is all closed in. So it could also actually equal -4. And that's it. That is how you build a compound inequality if you are given the diagram. All right. Thanks for doing some Mathity-Math with me. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more math practice. And if there's a problem type you want to see and you want to practice, just leave a comment below and I'll do my best to make it for you. Thanks for watching.